Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make your Windows 11 faster. What you need to do, you need to go on search option, search settings, press on it, and then you need to go and search storage. Click on it, and here you can see storage sense, you need to turn it on, and here you can see cleanup recommendations. Press on it and check everything rather than downloads, because if you check downloads it will clean your downloads as well. And then go back. Here next what you need to do, you need to also go on to settings. So settings here again, click on it, and here you can see privacy and security. Click on it, and here you can see general. You need to turn off all these options and then go back again in privacy and securities, go on speech, and if it's on, you need to turn it off. Then go again in privacy and security, go in inking and typing personalization. Click on it, and you need to also turn it off. And go again, and then go again in privacy and security. You have diagnostics and feedbacks. Click on it, and if it's on, then turn it off. Step number 3, also go on to settings. Here, privacy and security again. Here, scroll below, and you have locations, camera, microphone, and any of these which you don't use, you can disable. Like location takes a lot of activity of your laptop or PC. You need to just turn it off, turn off locations, and go on privacy and security again. Here, camera, you can do again for camera if you don't use camera that much, or you can go notifications. You can turn off notification if you don't use notification, and all the other things which you think that are not useful to you, you can turn it off, and it will improve your performance of your PC by a lot. And don't turn off this radios option, because if you do, it can mess with your Bluetooth. And then step number 3 is that you need to again go on the settings and go on apps and installed apps, and here you need to sort by large to small, and here delete everything you don't use, and it can take a lot of space. Like this I don't use, and it will take a lot of space and make your computer slow, so you need to uninstall them, everything you don't use. And then again here you need to go on startup and sort by status, and uncheck everything which you don't need in your startup. Like you don't need applications when you start up your Windows, so you need to uncheck everything you don't need. It will have a lot of impact on your performance. And step number 4, what you need to do, you need to go on start menu, press right click and go run. And then here you need to press sysdm.cpl, press enter. And here you need to go on advanced section, and here under performance go to settings, and here go on adjust for best performance. And what you see on the screen, you need to just check them all, otherwise your windows will look very ugly. And then press apply and then OK. In the last step, you need to right click on the start, go on run and press temp, press enter. You need to give them permission, and here everything you see, just click on it, control A, and then press delete. And which files don't delete on their own, you need to try again. If it doesn't still, you need to do this for all current items and skip, and you need to press back. There you go, and your problem will be solved. Thank you. Have a nice day.